Hi Maria. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a new email campaign using one of the templates that I created for you. So once you log in, you're going to end up here on the dashboard, and you can create a new campaign by clicking this blue button down here, or you can go over here to email, and then that blue button will be over here as well, so we'll just click it there. So the campaign name is really just for you to organize your email campaigns. So we'll just call this one Adult Yoga and Dance. Subject line is what the recipients will actually see in their inbox. So this one will say Adult Yoga and Dance Classes. These items down here you would normally use if you were sending emails from multiple accounts, but since you only have the one, you don't have to worry about it. They're always set correctly. So then we'll just go on to the next step. And if you were creating an email from scratch, you would be using this drag and drop editor, but since I created a template for you to make things easier, you're going to click this link right here. And this is the template, and you just click that and it will load itself. So here we are in the design builder, and over here on the side here you can see the different elements that you can use. There's also pre-made layouts to make things easier. We're going to try adding an image here. So to do that, we're going to go and click this button for the image gallery and say add an image. Once it's done uploading, just take it and drag it into place. Perfect. So let's change this title. And I'm also going to go back to your website and just kind of grab this content that's here. Put a line break there just to make this line read a little bit easier. Okay, so next I'm going to grab this little pre-made layout over here with the two elements. And I'm going to hide these buttons because I don't think we need them. So to do that, just click anywhere on this area, and then these options will show up. So to turn off the buttons, just uncheck this and they'll go away. Same with the title. If you wanted to get rid of that. Images, you can do the same. You can also change the spacing in between like all these elements here. So I'm going to call this Adult Yoga. And this one will be Adult Dance. I'm going to go back to your website and just grab this. Cool. I'm also going to use the same images from the website, so I dragged them onto my desktop, and then to add them, I'm just going to say add an image. And then drag them into place. So I was thinking this bottom part, we could make this a link to the schedule. So I'm going to change this to say view schedule. And then for the link, I added an anchor link to this page, and I called it Adult Schedule. So we have the button selected. I'm just going to paste that in here. And then let's add a title above that. And I'm just going to make it say this. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to duplicate this one because it's already purple. And drag it down here. Just get rid of that guy. Okay, so maybe we try making the adult yoga and adult dance headlines blue. And to do that, you would just click and select the text. And then say more choices or more colors. You can do a # and then the color code, and I'll send you all of those so you have them. You can do the same over here. Select more colors, #, and then the code. And okay. Cool. Alright. Okay, so now I'm thinking we add some purple to these areas here because there's a lot of white in the CML, as you can see. It'd be nice to break that up a little bit. So to do that, just click on either one of these areas here. Start down here. And you get these options over here. We're going to click background color. And we're going to put in the code for purple. Same with this area up here. Click background color. And then add the code. Okay, so now we're going to make this text white. So just click on this area. Select it all. And then make that white. Same with down here. Select all. Go to text color. Make that white. And that looks good. Okay, so now I think that we are ready to test our email. So to do that, you're going to go up to the corner up here and say send a test email. And obviously you would send it to yourself, but we'll just send it to me right now. Say okay, and then we'll go to my inbox and take a look. There it is. Alright, looks good. We can click and make sure the anchor link is working. The anchor link just bounces the user down to what part of the page you want them to go to. So I added the anchor to this teal area down here, so when they click that button it will bounce them down to this part of the page. I just figured it made the most sense since this content is basically in the email, so instead of having it repeat, we'll just send them down to the schedule, to the info that they need. And I think that's good. Okay, so now we're just going to say save and quit. Okay, and then we're going to say next step, which will take us to the recipients. And it looks like since you only have one email list, it automatically checks it, which is great. So that's all set. And I know it looks like it says that there's only one contact in there, but if you look down here, it says you've selected over 1,000, which is the number that you have in your mailing list. So I guess that's okay. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but hopefully that will refresh and change. So we'll go on to the next step. And here you just confirm that everything looks okay. Just make sure you review everything. The subject, design looks good, recipients is correct, and you can always click these blue links on the side here to go back to that step to make any changes that you have to. And then if not, we're just going to go and say schedule, and you can either send it right away, or you can schedule it for a specific day and time. And then this is a premium feature, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's it. And you would say confirm, but we'll just say cancel for now. And that's it. So if you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to ask. We're always here to help. And we'll talk to you soon.